Freddie Gray, Baltimore police to face criminal charges. Baltimore's top prosecutor says she has filed criminal charges against 6 officers in the case of Freddie Gray, who died in police custody. State prosecutor Marilyn Mosby said the death of the 25-year-old black man was a homicide, and his arrest was illegal. The charges ranged from second-degree murder to assault. Protesters cheered as she made the announcement. Gray suffered fatal spinal injuries while in custody, sparking protests that turned violent. The findings of our comprehensive, thorough, and independent investigation, coupled with the medical examiner's determination was a homicide, has led us to believe that we have probable cause to file criminal charges, Mrs. Mosby told a news conference. Celebrations broke out across Baltimore after the announcement. Drivers honked their car horns as people took to the streets with fists raised in triumph. She said Mr. Gray died as a result of injuries suffered while he was shackled inside a Baltimore police van, but not restrained by a seat belt, as he was legally required to be. Ms. Mosby said the officers failed to provide medical aid to Gray after he repeatedly pleaded for help. Mayor Stephanie Rawlings-Blade said that 5 of the officers were in custody. The officers were suspended after Gray's death. No one in our city is above the law, Ms. Blade said. Justice must apply to all of us equally. The driver of the van, Cesar Goodson, 45, faces the most serious charge, second-degree murder. Mr. Goodson faces more than 30 years in prison if convicted. The other officers face charges including involuntary manslaughter, assault and misconduct. To the people of Baltimore and the demonstrators across America, I heard your call for no justice, no peace. Your peace is sincerely needed, as I work to deliver justice on behalf of this young man, Mrs. Mosby said. Mrs. Mosby said that Gray was not carrying